Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a playlist on the Spotify. So if you want to create your playlist on the Spotify, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application and you have to click on the your library. Once you will click on it, you will see plus icon here on the right top. So click on it. Once you will do it, here you have to enter the playlist name, and once you will do it, click on the create. Once you will do it, now you can simply add song to your playlist. So this is the procedure to create a playlist on the Spotify. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.